Hello, to insert SD card in your Samsung Galaxy A06, you have to open the SIM tray, which is located on the left side of the phone, using the SIM tray tool. Let me open it real quick. Okay, and as you can see, here is the SD card slot. The slot is already shaped like SD card, so there won't be any problem inserting the card. The only thing that you have to insert the card from the top. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Now you just insert it into the phone. Here's some problem. It appears that the SD card, seems to get out of the slot sometimes. So you have to be sure that it is inserted correctly in there. So you put it back inside and the SD card is inserted. Thank you.